Namaskar friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sanis.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about this Logitech mouse, which I have been using it for a while, and so far my experience with it is quite positive. I'm not just going to be talking about the pros but also going to be talking about the cons of this mouse, so stay tuned till the very end of this video because it is going to be very exciting video if you're going to buy this mouse. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the pros of this mouse. Right after unboxing this device, the one thing that impressed me a lot is the hyper fast metal scroll wheel. In many other videos, you also will find people talking about the scroll wheel. It's just not a promoting thing, but genuinely the scroll wheel is very smooth and very useful thing. It is going to be a big game changer when it comes to productivity. The other major reason why you should buy this mouse is the number of buttons that it has got, and not just the regular buttons, but they all are programmable buttons. That means you can assign any command or any shortcuts or any combination of shortcuts to it. Extremely useful while gaming and also for productivity purposes like music production or video production for that matter. Talking about the connectivity, this mouse can be connected via Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. And the mouse also comes with a dedicated button for switching between them. Ergonomically, this mouse is going to be comfortable with medium-sized hands or the large-size hands. For the kids or for the people who have small hands, this is going to be a bit odd thing. So consider that also before buying this product. Now this is a AA battery powered device. That means even if you're traveling, you don't have to find any charging ports or charging points for this mouse. One AA battery will last around about 240 hours, that is equals to 30 to 50 days in light speed mode, or up to 5.5 months of runtime in the Bluetooth mode. So it is a long-lasting device. The most important thing is that it comes with Hero 25K sensor, which has got 25,000 maximum DPI, which is insane. Who is this mouse for? The people who do some serious pro-level competitive gaming or wants to get into it, this mouse is for you guys. Then the people who do music production and want to control your digital audio workstation at an ease, or is a video editor, photo editor, etc. This mouse is going to be for you guys. Now I personally use this for music production and also for video editing purpose. So in short, if I have to explain, this is not for the people who regularly use their computers for basic use like browsing or watching movies. I won't recommend this mouse for you guys. Yeah, it is going to be an overpowered thing if you are just going to be using it in that kind of a basic way. I would recommend you to upgrade your computer through something else like RAM or maybe a bigger SSD rather than investing in this mouse. Now talking about the cons of this mouse, there are a few, not a lot, but there are some cons which you are going to be facing when you get this mouse. So the first one is the weight. If you switch this mouse from a lighter one, this is going to feel a bit heavier. This is going to be on a heavier side. That is something that you will have to face in initial few days. Later on, when you get used to it, in a week or so, it is going to be quite comfortable, but initially it is going to feel much heavier. If you like those fancy RGB lighting, you are going to be disappointed as this mouse comes with only one LED light which indicates the connectivity. I mean, it doesn't even really matter to me, but yeah, for some people it can be a big deal. As I told you before, this mouse is for serious goal achievers. Anything and everything which is useless is not included in the package. Now I could have easily made this review when I purchased this mouse, but I'm like making this review right now after using this mouse for like 2 months. The reason is I wanted to really have that user experience and then give this review in a very kind of an honest way so that it would really help you guys. And my experience till now has been very good with it. For more details, pricing, or if you are interested in buying it right now, I have put the link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye.